In today's video, we're taking a look at how to remove a doorknob without screws, easy and simple. It's so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you're looking at this doorknob and you say to yourself, this one's different. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. So no matter if you have this particular brand or a different brand or type, the technique will be the same. We like to start by removing the screws on the faceplate, and for that, we're going to use the ancient technique passed down generation to generation of lefty loosey, righty tighty. Once the screws are removed, if we take a look at the outer knob, specifically on the neck of the knob, we're going to notice a tiny hole or slot. In some cases, you might have to twist the knob to see it, or place your body on pretzel position and look under the knob. Once we located the hole or the slot, we can insert our favorite flathead screwdriver, a paper clip, a nail, or any tool at your disposal. At the same time, you want to pull the knob out from the spindle. And now that the def grip has been broken, we can move on to remove the rosette. And just like before, using the same technique of Where's Waldo, you're going to notice a slot or a hole on the rosette. If at first you don't see it, you might have to go back to pretzel position and look under. In this particular case, what we want to do is take our favorite tool, insert it in the slot or hole, and pop it off. And now that you popped some rosé bottles at the club, now that we professionally removed the rosette, wink wink, now we finally have access to our mounting plate and screws that have the def grip on your door. And depending on your system, you might have two ways of removing the screws. If you notice, in this particular case, we have key slotted holes, which means we can loosen the screws and twist the mounting plate to remove it. But if you have regular holes, or even this kind, you can fully remove the screws to remove the mounting plate. Whichever technique you use is up to you. Remember, you are the king, queen, both or none of your castle. Just don't let your significant other know. You might lose the kingdom the same day. And now you've done it. You broke your door. No, you didn't. Yes, you did. And just like last night, you should be able to pull out the remaining parts with ease. If you notice the parts are stuck to the door with paint, as a pro tip, you can always use a utility knife to score around them. And like the icing on the cake, we can go ahead and remove now the screws and striking plate on the door frame. If you want to check out our video on how to install a doorknob or a deadbolt or an electronic keyless doorknob, we'll leave links on the description. And now you've done it. You can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. You become a black belt on destroying doors on your block.